Light has been switched off. Internet also has been switched off. Oh, what now I do? Here is the solution. Now even your light has been switched off, but your internet will be browsed. Your internet will be worked. Here is the solution. Now today I am going to unboxing the router power bank. Here you can see the specification of this router. So in this tutorial we will unbox it, and here you can see the specifications and each and everything is available. This power bank gives the 4 to 5 hours backup. So let's open it. You just have to unbox it and we will see what inside it, and then we will see what inside the power bank. Is it easy to install or not, and what is the shape of this? So this is the power bank, and now you can see the shape of this power bank. PS brand charger, company online shop. Just you have to plug and play. Here you can see the plug and play, and this is a charger. Problem solving all-in-one services. So let's open, see the charger and adapter. So this is the adapter. Three of here. Just you have to use it. This is the power bank, and here you can read out backup timing 5 hours. So by this method you can use, you have to plug in the router this pin, and the adapter pin you have to plug in the power bank like this, then you can use it. So before using, you have to must have to charge it with maximum and minimum 3 hours. So this is the best plug and play power adapter and power bank. If you want to purchase it, you can comment us. Thanks for watching. Take care.